And there they are right there. There they go right there. See, they made the wrong turn. No hands, just cruising. Check them out. Check them out. Yeah, we down here in Mexico. Check them out.
Take no loss, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
All right, let me just wait right here for a second, cause they're supposed to go this way. Let me see if they're gonna try and turn around. Let me pause the video for right now. All right, yeah, they made the wrong turn, so I'm gonna try and catch those guys as they're coming. And there they are right there. There they go right there. See, they made the wrong turn. I got you. I got you. All right. Let's get it. Get it. Made the wrong turn and I waited for them. We all back together and now we're heading back down to our original destination. can see, we made a pit stop right here at the gas station. Already we needed gas because we took a different route, a different detour, and everything just went crazy wild. And we went out of route, so that's why everybody has to gas up, because we still got a long ways to go. And this is another motorcycle meetup spot anyway, so that's why you see a lot more motorcycles, a lot more Harleys and things of that nature. But not everybody is with us, but this is just another motorcycle spot. But we still got a good ride to go, and I hope these guys take the turnpike. Well, we can take the scenic route also. I guess you guys won't mind that.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him. Early bird, go get the worm in the dirt. I could show you what I'm worth, my hands in the dirt. From where they look when you not, a hand in your purse. Hell if you think I'm last, last should be first. Go ahead and go feast your eyes. Chefing up, cooking them pies, leaving no slice. Believe on a guy who in demand and who got supplies. You on the land, me I'm fly. Look at the miles, I be in skies, right by my side. Look at them thighs up in Dubai. You see us, black man, black sand beaches. Yeah. Backhand if you slick speaking. Yeah. Cut off if that hand reaches. Right. Sucker, I ain't about y'all leeches. Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than him. This is my shit.